Hi, in this video we will see how we will connect our JLH kit, that is our JLH Class A amplifier board and our JLH power supply. Actually this is a CRC power supply. There are some resistors and this is the capacitor. These constitute to the CRC power supply and it is well filtered. It is a single power supply and this is our amplifier. So first we will tell what are the things you need. So you need a transformer with dual secondary, not a center tapped one, one with two secondaries. So you can see this one is having 0.20 5 ampere, 0.20 5 ampere. So you need two secondaries of 20 volt each with 5 ampere. And I have given an additional 12 volt that is for the protection or tone control, something if you want to add you can use that one. That is not necessary, although the input voltage is according to your country. In my country it's 230 volts. So you need such a power supply. So this will be having two secondaries. This is the mains power supply. Mains power come through these wires, and here you get 20 volt, 0.20 volt power, and here is another secondary with 0.20, and this is for the protection or tone control boards. You can use these ones. This is 12012. Now you need a rectifier for the conversion of AC to DC. So here is your rectifier. This is a 50 ampere one. Go for a 50 ampere one because you can use 35 ampere also, but better go for 50 ampere one. So to connect this, you can see some markings like here is a positive marking and here is the AC marking. So you have to connect AC one here and AC, the second AC wire here, diagonally opposite. Also for the positive here and negative this side, there will be no marking in the negative side. So the pin directly opposite to positive is the negative side, and pin directly opposite to the AC is the other AC side. You can get pins like this. This is a crimp connector, and you can crimp it here. You need a crimp tool for that, like this. You can solder it also, but for easy removal and all, you can use a connector like this. Now you have to connect the AC. AC, as I told you, you have to look here. Here is the AC connection. So you have to add the AC connection here, and the pin diagonally opposite to is the other AC connection. Here is the other AC connection. So we have connected both AC connections. You can see the plus and diagonally opposite pin is free. And this is your CRC power supply. For each channel you have to use one power supply. Why we are using this resistors is because adding a CRC power supply which minimizes ripples, so you will be getting smooth sound output. So here are 4 resistors for that, and you can see here is a DC positive in and the DC positive in and DC negative in. You can see 2 pins. This we have to connect to the rectifier. Now we have to connect the rectifier which converts the AC to DC to this filtering circuit. So for that we have to take 2 wires, just like we fix the AC wire, you can fix this also, and always use thick connectors for DC, thick wires for the DC. So take the plus, take a red color, any color you can take, but for easy to remember we take we'll take plus as red. Okay, and we will connect a pin diagonally opposite to this one. Positive pin is the negative pin. So we connected both the wires. Now we have to connect these wires to our board, our filter board. So in that, don't change the polarities, just check the polarity. This one is a DC positive in, you can see here, and this is a DC negative in. Okay, so your power supply connections are over. Now you have to test the connection. Playing with main electricity is very dangerous. It can kill you, it can electrocute you and kill you. So better always be very careful while connecting. If you don't know anything about electricity, don't try this. You give it to a experienced technician to make it. So this channel is not at all responsible, so always be very careful. If you don't know what you are doing, please don't do it. Give it to a experienced technician. Always use a bulb tester before series bulb tester before you test any electronic equipments or anything which is connected to AC. Here this bulb is connected in series with this primary of this transformer, and immediately switch off the circuitry and immediately disconnect your devices. Okay, you can see that the bulb just blinked and it's now not at all shining. If there was any short circuit in this, the bulb should have continued to glow. So please check that. Please always check if there is any thing. If you connect only power supply, it should not glow at all. You connect the positive to the positive of the DC out and negative to negative. So we are getting around 28.8 volts. So our power supply is working properly. So this is how you check the power supply initially, and note the power, that is 28.8, 29 volts.